Quick favor before we start. Tap the link in the description to grab the current special offer. It helps you, it helps the channel, and it unlocks the sign-up bonus faster. So, Robinhood, sign-up bonus, free stock hack, real or clickbait? Short answer, it's real, but only if you do it right. Here's the play, step by step. Use the promo link in the description. Promos only trigger through an eligible link or landing page. Create your account. U.S. residency, a social security number, KYC verification. Fund the account. Minimums vary by promo, usually $1 to $1,000. The more you deposit, the higher the up-to-reward window. Claim the reward in-app, free stock, fractional stock. It's a random value range. Hold, period. Most promos require you to keep the value of the reward in your account for 30-60 days before selling or withdrawing. What to expect? The up-to number is a lottery. Most people get a small amount. A few get the golden ticket. Temper expectations. Rewards post after your deposit settles. This can take a few business days. Don't panic if it's not instant. Taxes. The reward counts as income at fair market value. Expect a 1099 if you cross thresholds. Screenshot the value when it lands. It helps at tax time. Common mistakes that kill the bonus. Signing up without the promo link, withdrawing too early or closing too soon, multiple accounts, VPN shenanigans, advance tips, legally and politely, referral stacking. Share your referral link with a friend or partner. Both get rewards if they fund. Check limits and timelines. Timing. Promos rotate. If you see a better one in 48 hours, you can wait. Offers change without notice. Transfers. Occasionally there are ACATS transfer promos for moving assets in. Different terms than sign-up bonuses. Read them closely. Is it worth it? If you're opening a brokerage anyway, snagging a legit bonus is free money. Just don't open an account purely for the lotto feel. Invest only what you understand. Alright, if you want today's best offer, click the link in the description now. Lock it in, fund it, claim it, then let me know what you pulled. And yes, if you hit the rare stock, I expect celebratory snacks. Tap the link below for the special offer. Happy hunting responsibly.